Today, we're going to walk through exactly how to seamlessly file a BMC-84 or BMC-85 using the Motus system. But before we dive right in, there's a quick prerequisite. You'll want to make absolutely sure you're already registered as a supporting company. And, of course, take a second to double-check that you can actually log in to your supporting company account.
All right, let's get to it. To initiate a new financial responsibility filing, you just need to navigate up to the Manage Filings drop-down menu. From there, simply select Create New Filing.
Next up, we need to locate the specific regulated entity you're filing for. It's super straightforward. Just enter their USDOT number or their legal business name directly into the search field and hit that little magnifying glass icon. Once the right entity pops up, go ahead and click Create New Filing. Now, take a brief moment here to review the business information on the screen. It is absolutely crucial to verify that you selected the correct entity before moving forward. As a handy bonus, while you're on this page, you can actually review any of their existing financial responsibility filings too. Moving right along to the Filing Options box. Here, you're going to select the operating authority you want to make a filing for, as well as the specific form you need to file. You'll notice the form options automatically populate based on the authority type you chose and your specific filer capabilities. Oh, and keep this important detail in mind. You are going to need a separate filing for each individual authority associated with that USDOT number. Down to the final details. The policy effective date will automatically populate with today's date, the exact day you're making the filing. But don't worry, if you need to, you can easily tweak that to a past or future date. You'll also be prompted to type in your policy number. Now, a quick heads up specifically for the BMC-84 and BMC-85 forms. This system locks the filing amount, so you won't be able to edit that field. Finally, just read through the purpose and terms, place a check mark in the box to acknowledge you understand and agree, and click Submit when you're completely ready.
And you're done. The system will automatically redirect you back to the Manage Filings page. This page effectively serves as your final official acceptance report. Simple as that. So now that you've got the Motus filing process down to a science, how much time is this streamlined system going to save your daily workflow?